Hey everyone, Thomas with Houston Paint Protection here with this 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper in the new color Frost Blue Metallic. As you can see, we have matted out the paint with our matte paint protection film package, so it has this nice satin look instead of the standard glossy look that it comes with from the factory. This is a very popular option with Model Ys across the entire color spectrum. We get a lot of questions, inquiries about this package, and a lot of people who pull the trigger on it. So we're gonna go backwards in time and walk you through step by step from prep all the way to the finish line and show you what's involved in achieving this final look. The first thing we're going to go through is disassembly. We need to figure out which parts of the car we can remove to give us a cleaner install, but that aren't too high risk where they break or can't be put in place properly. Generally for Model Ys, we're going to remove the front and rear fender flares, all of the window trim, and the pillar trim that runs on top of the glass. We'll also be pulling the cameras out of the fenders. These components allow us to get a much cleaner install, more discreet finished look, and it's not so high risk where we're damaging components, can't put things back properly, or we're just taking things off for no reason. One note on the rear spoiler, on the previous Model Ys, we would remove the spoilers to do the hatch pieces in one piece and replace the spoiler back over the paint protection film for a cleaner look. The new Model Y Junipers have a different spoiler setup. The entire hatch has to be taken apart and the spoiler has to be unbolted from behind, so on this particular car we won't be taking that approach. Instead, we'll be doing a custom pattern that will fit around the spoiler for a nice clean look that'll give us 100% coverage without having to disassemble that portion of the car. After disassembly, we'll go through and do heavy cleaning on all of the edges and all of the wraps in the jam areas where we're going to tuck and wrap the film and where we're going to set film edges where we can't wrap. These heavy duty cleaners will remove certain residues that things like alcohol wipes won't. So whenever we remove all of these oils and greases, it gives us a better durability, a cleaner install for the long term. Once that's been complete, we'll start the rest of our thorough prep process where we wash and decontaminate the car. We'll wash the car, do a clay bar to remove any contaminants that are stubborn and stay stuck on the paint after the wash, and we'll also do a chemical decontamination process to pull out any embedded contamination the clay bar misses. At this point, the vehicle is completely clean and ready for install, so we'll create the patterns and start working through the vehicle and laying film. The patterns we create for this project are going to be specific for this car. All Model Ys have the same components, but they are not necessarily assembled the same. Sometimes there's bigger panel gaps, trim that's not aligned, or certain areas where we can get more coverage or a deeper wrap. So we'll go through and make custom patterns for every vehicle to make sure we have the most coverage and the most discreet install we can get for the best finished look. For those of you who don't know, matte paint protection film provides the same great qualities as our normal clear paint protection film in that it helps prevent things like rock chips, scratches, dents, and other physical damage, but you also get the aesthetic benefit of flipping your vehicle over to a semi-gloss finish. So if you've got a gloss normal finish car and you want to see it matted out, this film will maintain the color. You'll still see the metallic flake shine through the paint. Everything that you like about the paint color will stay, except it'll be moved over to a semi-gloss finish. If you have a matte finished vehicle from the factory, it will not shift the look at all of the paint, but it will give you the protection you're looking for if you want that physical protection. Once all of the paint protection film is laid down, we'll put the pieces back together and do final checks. If you have a new Tesla Model Y or any new vehicle that you're looking to have matte paint protection film put on, please reach out to us anytime at HoustonPaintProtection.com. Give us a call or stop by the shop in person and we'd be happy to help you out.